Igbo class world, I greet you in the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama. Igbo class world, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling. Today we want to do about study. Study where? In UK and Canada. Do you want to study in Canada? Chat us. Do you want to study in UK? Chat us. Only these two places are our area of specialization. Please do not tell us about any other country because we did not specialize in that country. Oh, my people. Oh, do not come and ask us about job or work. Oh, with this number, we have number for jobs. So ask us about job or work in that line, but this line you will see on the screen or at the caption. Look at the caption. You will see this number is only for study, for those that want to study. Are you adult or young person? Are you adult or young person? You have opportunity. You have greater opportunity. There is a lot of advantages and benefits in studying in UK and Canada. Do you want to study? You have to get the requirement. First, if you have the requirement and have the fund, then come to us. We will direct you to somebody who will help you to gain it immediately. But without showing us the proof of everything we have just mentioned, we are not going to direct you to any person because we are here to give you information what to do. If you don't know the requirement, ask us of the requirement. We are going to show you the requirement so that you sit back and gather the requirement, then come forward with all it takes to go abroad to study. My brothers and sisters, requirement is the first, then followed by the fund. If you don't have the requirement, go and source out, go and acquire the requirement, then sit back and save your fund, save your money. Before thinking of coming to abroad to study, oh my brothers and sisters, you must first at least save up to 10,000 10 million naira. 10 million naira, and it doesn't end there. You have to complete your money. You have to complete paying your money when you come to UK or Canada. And it's not the agent or the person that will help you that will eat your money. It's your expenses. Is what you chose to do. So you have to buckle up. You have to get ready. You have to sit up. You have to get yourself prepared. Nobody will do it for you, or you will do it by yourself. If you are not ready, my brothers and sisters, I will advise you to sit back home and do other things, or use your money to turn your business over there. And to you in UK, you are doing all sort of odd job, menial jobs. You don't want to upgrade yourself, my sister. UK is the land of education, land of study. You don't need to pay. The government will sponsor you. Yeah, my sister, please come along. Thank you. Bye.